I'm not throwing shade. Everybody screws up. But this video illustrates why when you hit a rock, when you're going sideways in a rapid, you have to do the counterintuitive thing and lean towards it. You want to get away from the obstacle that you've hit, but instead you want to throw yourself towards the obstacle that you just hit. That keeps the bottom side of your boat up, facing the current, and it doesn't get into the boat and turn it sideways and potentially bend it around the rock. Lean towards the obstacle that you hit.